everyone, welcome to Badgeskins. In this quick video, we're just going to do an install of a Type R badge skin. So first things first, you just want to clean off the whole surface area with the alcohol wipes provided, and then you're going to wipe it down clean and dry with a microfiber cloth. Once that's done, very simple, all you have to do is take the badge skin, and we're pretty well putting the R over R. You're going to peel the badge skin off the backing, and you're going to center it the best you can over your R badge. And once you're happy with how it looks, you're just going to kind of tack it down and start squeeging over the R badge. Just make sure that you go over every area of the R badge, give it a bit of pressure. Once that's done, all you have to do is peel off the masking. Very simple, and it offers a nice refresh look to your R badge. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy.